Hey, morning everyone, it's Amy here from Pulse. This morning I wanted to talk to you all about this beautiful product. This is the Active Serum by AQ Skin Solutions. It is my absolute favorite product because it's full of growth factors, human-derived growth factors, so they work on human skin really, really well. Basically what it does is it brings your skin back to its balance, its full genetic potential. It takes down inflammation, very important now when everyone's having vaccines and patients are getting COVID, and COVID vaccines causes a lot of inflammation in the skin and body. So this is something that every patient should be using. Alongside, it fits in with all other skincare products, so you slot it into whatever range you're using, and it's going to work on lines, wrinkles, acne, you name it, rosacea, and just getting the skin to hydrate itself and function at its full genetic potential. So that's the Active Serum.